comes to tackling the pet hair, I got 3 specific tools that I like to use. 1 is my drill brush. 2, my pumice stone. 3 is my Analon pet hair brush, which is new to me and I'm really beginning to like this. Alright, when it comes to using the pumice stone, you want to be real careful because this stuff can tear up your carpet. So you got to be real careful. You don't want to use it on no carpet that's damaged, and you don't really want to use it on the carpet that's thin because it easily tears that type of carpet up. So when you do use it, you want to apply light pressure, if any at all, because you know, like I said, it can tear up carpet if you're not careful. So just be careful. But I'm gonna bring you in closer and let you see what type of results you can get from just using this pumice stone. Now, as you see, just by swiping the top of the carpet lightly, you can see it pull the hair into a pile. And like I said, I like this for carpets that's not thin, you know, that Toyota type of carpet. Carpet that got some type of plushness to it, because this can be aggressive in nature. So you just want to be careful when you're using this. But now I'm gonna go ahead and show you. Just look at that pile. See? And then, you know, you can just vacuum this up and you can repeat the process if necessary, but you see, you get good results just by doing one pass. And as you can see, this car has a lot of pet hair. But now I'm gonna show you what the Analon brush can do. Okay, so as I just showed you, some of this carpet in here is some of that low nap carpet that can easily get damaged with a pumice stone. So if you run into an issue like that, that's where you can use this Analon brush. You got rubber edges, and like I said, you got 3 different sides for 3 different lengths of dog hair or 3 different lengths of carpet. So what I'm going to use in this van, since this is the low nap one, is I'm going to use the one with the smaller side, and that way I can really get down deep into the low nap carpet. So you can really get deep down, and with this having rubber tips, you can really get deep down into the carpet, so you can apply a little pressure when stroking this. See, just from that, here's the finished product. As you can see, we got some real good results from using the Analon pet hair brush, the pumice stone, my drill brush, and the regular vacuum. So if you need any of these tools, you would like the links for them, they'll be in the description below. But until next time, stay blessed. Peace.